This is the story of how one Bluff City, Tennessee homeowner sold a house that needed too many repairs as is, a quick close and no landlord headaches. They didn't want to pour money into repairs or end up being a landlord. Favor Home Solutions made it simple, a fair offer, a fast close, and none of the things they were dreading. Here's how it happened. The homeowner in this story didn't want publicity, just a solution. They owned a property in Bluff City, Tennessee that had reached the point where the repairs it needed were no longer a manageable project. Roof issues, aging systems, and deferred maintenance had stacked up over time. What started as a list of things to get around to had become something that would require real money, real time, and real coordination to address, none of which the seller had interest in taking on. The property wasn't in a condition to command a strong open market price, and the seller understood that. But more than the dollars, what they wanted to avoid was the path that seemed to be forming. Either sink money into repairs they couldn't recoup, or hold the property as a rental and absorb all the obligations that come with being a landlord. The seller had no interest in becoming one. Managing a property in deteriorating condition, dealing with tenants and maintenance calls and ongoing carrying costs, that wasn't a solution. It was a different kind of problem, and the conventional options all circled back to that fork. Listing with an agent meant showings, negotiations over the repair list, and a buyer pool limited to those willing to take on significant investment. Tackling the repairs themselves would cost more than made sense given what the market would bear. And renting it out was the option that kept coming up, the one they were most determined to avoid. So when the seller reached out to Favor Home Solutions, they were clear about what they needed: a fast, clean exit. No repairs, no months-long listing, no landlord future. Favor Home Solutions buys houses across Bluff City and all of Tennessee in any condition with no repairs and all closing costs covered. From there, it was simple. First, Favor Home Solutions made a cash offer on the property in its current, as is condition, and meant it, with no repair contingencies and no back and forth over inspection findings. Then the offer reflected the property exactly as it stood. And finally, the seller accepted and they closed quickly on a timeline that worked. Here's what the seller walked away with. The home sold completely as is: roof, aging systems, deferred maintenance, and all with nothing to fix. The landlord future was off the table: no tenants, no maintenance calls, no carrying a deteriorating rental. And it was fast and clean cash, a clear title transfer, and the ability to move forward. Look at the numbers. $0 spent on repairs they couldn't recoup. 0 landlord obligations taken on. Favor Home Solutions covered the closing costs and closed on the seller's timeline. And the weight of a deteriorating property lifted. No contractor to touch. No repair list to negotiate. No reluctant landlording. No drawn-out uncertainty of a conventional sale. The property that had been hanging over their plans was simply behind them. The result? The seller walked away without touching a contractor, without becoming a reluctant landlord, and without the drawn-out uncertainty of a conventional sale, cash in hand, and the freedom to move forward. Maybe this situation sounds familiar. We help Tennessee homeowners in all kinds of circumstances. A repair list too long to recoup. No desire to become a landlord, no budget to fix it first. No time for a months-long listing, any condition, or simply needing a fast, clean exit. If you own a repair-heavy home in Bluff City or anywhere across Tennessee, Favor Home Solutions can help. As is no repairs, no commissions, no landlord future, a fair cash offer, and a quick close on your timeline. Reach out today for your free, no-obligation cash offer.